Okay, update on my passive income streams that I am building and taking you along with me in my Make Money in My Surf series, because I'm trying to make passive income by surf season so that I can just surf, because hopefully I'm making money while I'm surfing. So I got the viral master resale rights course to start getting it up, and I have rewritten my emails, which is part of the funnels, which is so nice to have. I'm rewriting them because I had ChatGPT write them, but they were just like really quick, so I had something up. And honestly, having something up is so much better than having nothing, because I wasn't even promoting people getting on my email list, and people just signed up to be on it. So I'm glad I had something there, They weren't really good for conversions, like nothing happened from it. I didn't make sales from them yet, but I think when I rewrite them and I'm like willing to promote them because I'm proud of them, then more people will like come in and convert because it's already been happening. If you want to be part of the email list, learning about how to work online, because I already make money online, it's just not passive per se, then you can message me, email, and then I'll get you on the list. I already have a couple written, so you'll be getting them already.